Makiaria hindi ya kuoya maoni ma muingi iguru wa kuramata uhuthiri wa mbeca hindi ino twerekeire kambeini cia ithurano nene, munini wa murugamiri munene wa IEBC akiuga commission ino yarutire wira kuringana na mwatho na mitaratara na gutire handu mafacirie ikinya kana kwenderera thirikari.
Currently there are no laws governing campaign raising of funds and spending of funds in campaigns. That's why we are here, so that we make sure. We have tried from 2013, but we have never been able to be successful, so that we have a law which is regulating money used in elections.
Nona kuri uguo kaunti-ini ya Machakos kuria mihango ota ino iguthiaga na mbere, kamishna wa IEBC Arutarala Mukwana akiregana na uhoro uyu akiuga ithurano nini cia orokarau ciari cia thayu na waragania guku akiuria a Kenya kuhe kamiti ici kiumbe kanya ga kuruta wira wao na wiyathi niguo mone maumirira makinyaniru.
Nia na madhumuni ya sheria hii ni kuhakikisha kwamba uwanja wa siasa na kampeni upo tambarare. A level playing field upo tambarare.
Aria magwikinyiti cikaro-ini ici mwena wa Nyeri na Machakos magitetia wiyathi wa IEBC makiuga ironeka kunyafarwo ni thirikari kuringana na ithurano nini iria itafanitio mena itiganite bururi-ini.
Koro hari no theri na koro ni independent ogwo yetitwo ni constitution itu ya Kenya 2010 nitungionete thaici andu aria mara participate ga ithurano kuria all kalau aria maraheaga andu mbeca aria marahuthagira state resources aria state officers marari involved gweka campaigns nitungionete IEBC thaici imakinyirite na kimapasu.
Is IEBC really ready to enforce, and does it have the capacity to enforce? Even summoning some politicians, and the politicians even don't come to listen or to honor the summons. We have even seen some being fined, and they are saying they are not going to fine, they go to court.
IEBC kiuga matho maya makuramata mihuthirire ya mbeca hindi ya kambeini igutigirira gutire na muthutukanio wa ahuraniri aiturwa kuringana na uriku wa mihuko yao.
Na hii sheria ya kupangilia ni pesa ngapi zitumike ni muhimu kwa sababu demokrasia si mchezo wa soka.
Ni Inooro TV, Jeta Theuri wa Bogo.